So here's how you can fix the incorrect password setting or problem on your Instagram using the Android device. Let me cover it from every angle. So let's get started. And if this is your first time here on this channel, make sure you subscribe so that way you'll never miss anything important. So of course, your Instagram might not let you sign in because of multiple different reasons. A lot of people who are signing in, especially on like a different device that they are used to, might have the wrong keyboard layout or something with a keyboard set up in a way that they seemingly don't type the correct passcode in. So for that purpose, I would just go to the settings, tap on the general settings where you can find the keyboards and all of the different things. So you can go in here and basically change the settings for the keyboard and play with the layout and all of those things so you don't have any kind of like text correction or anything in place. So that is of course one thing. Then you need to make sure that the account or that the handle that you are signing into is also set correctly so that it can match properly. And if it still doesn't work, then it's probably really an incorrect password. So what I would do in that case is that I would reset the password, right? So you can literally use the Instagram app or just leave it and go to the browser of your choice and you can type in the Instagram reset password and it's going to guide you through the way it works, right? So you will have to see that you can pick like the account or whatever, and then it will use your email to send you the reset link where you can come up with a new password, which you will then hopefully remember, or you can save it in your password manager. So I really hope that could help you out with it. It's just a quick guide on how you could fix that. I really hope that it was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching, and hopefully I'll see you later in the upcoming videos as well.